debut of his late model. That is Randy Sargent. And outside of him, that is Wild Willie Nelson. Lights on the car corner, pace car are out as Jerry Stafford's going to bring the group around. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be Beyer to try to get out to the early advantage. Beinlich's going right with them as they go into turn 3 and 4. Beinlich right there on Beyer's rear end. It's like Beinlich's got a pretty fast car. And Hunter Dreyfall now in the 99 car out of Evansville, Wisconsin, looking to challenge Jerry Stafford now for 3rd place. But Beinlich looking to put the challenge on Beyer, as those two are definitely looking to get their first heat win of the 2020 season here. This is going to be a 10-lap heat race, because we're now 3 laps in. Everybody else kind of single file racing here. Here comes Johnny Beinlich again. Checked up there right behind Mike Byers, putting the pressure on, saying, let's go, Mike. And Jerry Stafford just kind of holding his own there in 3rd. Oh, Tim Sargent there. Willie Nelson starting to close in there on Tim Sargent. But keep your eye on the lead, because that's where the battle is. We're halfway down now for Mike Beyer. And Beinlich right there to challenge Beyer for the lead again. He just catches him in the turns, but Beyer kind of pulls away coming out. And that's where the story is right now. Everybody else kind of single file racing. Wild Willie Nelson starting to look to the inside of Tim Sargent. Both those drivers rookies as well. Willie Nelson competing for Rookie of the Year this year. 8 down, 2 to go for Mike Beyer. Willie Nelson starting to look to the inside of Sargent again. Everybody else kind of single file racing here. Jerry Stafford started to catch up to Johnny Beinlich there to challenge for 2nd. Here comes your winner. Looks like it's going to be, it is Mike Beyer, followed by Johnny Beinlich. 3rd goes to Jerry Stafford. 4th to Hunter Dreyfall. 5th to Randy Sargent. 6th goes to Wild Willie Nelson. So Randy Sargent, Randy's late grandfather, the other Randy Sargent, used to run a number 2 car out here in the 80s, maybe even the 70s here at Rockford Speedway. Glad to see the Sargents returning to their roots here at the Rockford Speedway.